Good morning, students. Last class we are studied about what is class and what is an object, what is the difference between class and object. Now we will see what is inheritance. Inheritance, it is nothing but when an object acquires all the properties and behavior of a parent object. It is known as an inheritance. It provides code reusability. What is the purpose we are using inheritance means? It provides the code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. It is possible to achieve runtime polymorphism. In future, I will tell you what is polymorphism concept. Let us take an inheritance concept when one object acquires all properties and behavior of a parent object. Let us take an example. The child, it will having a concept of normally, if we in our home, we are having child means the child having a behavior properties of their parent. For example, how father was how mother was behaving, like that. Then some inheritance properties the child will have. The same concept here we are using for reusability of code purpose. That is called as an inheritance. When one object it provides the code main concept why we are using means it is a code reusability. It is used to achieve runtime polymorphism. Here in this example, man will speak, the dog will sound like give sound like oof. Barking sound it is different, and the duck will do quack quack sound, and cat will give that meow meow sound. So it is it comes under a bird category. The dog and cat and this comes under different category of approach. Different type of inheritance concept is there with the normal object declarations. Then man will have a different type of object declaration of purpose. Man will have sixth sense. Other things are having it is having three cents. These things are having four cents like that. So analytical purpose we are saying like that. But in your programming concept, what is the purpose we are using the inheritance means with the help of that inheritance, we will use the same code. We no need to type each time whenever required. We use the same code. We will inherit that code and we will use that code for another approach, another concepts also it is possible to use. So that is the main advantage of inheritance. Another one is polymorphism. If one task is performed in a different way, polymorphism it is nothing but the same task will be utilized in a different way. It is known as a polymorphism. For example, they convince the customer differently to draw something. For example, say triangle, rectangle, etc. In Java, we use method for using this polymorphism concept, overloading and method of overriding to achieve the polymorphism. Another example can be speak something. For example, cat speaks meow, dog barks woof, etc. Okay. Uh, if we if we say polymorphism means the same concept. For example, let us take an example. Function, it is a one polymorphism concept means it may be a school function, or it may be a marriage function, or it may be a felicitation functions like that. The function, it is a name of the class, but what is the difference here? We are going to mention that concept means depends on the situation, depends on the a program, it will differ. For example, function, I am saying function, it may be a marriage function means the family, all the family members are all together, they are conducting the marriage function. If it is a felicitation function means the organization people will conduct the felicitation function for one person or particular GM or AGM, and they are giving the felicitation functions. If it is a farewell function means the students will involve in that farewell function to complete the course and they will move. So the name is same, but function is different. That is comes under polymorphism. Okay. And another one concept it is called as an abstraction. Abstraction, we already know that it is hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as an abstraction. Hiding the internal details means we are not going to show elaborate functions. We are going to show only the little bit functional functions about only. For example, if you are making a phone call to one person means we know that if we type the number and will press that call means call button means it will automatically the call will go to another person. The particular the number belongs to who is having that number. For that person, so we will make a call, but we don't know how that functionality was going on. It is called as a internal details. We don't know how the technologically it will go to another person. If we are sending the message means how they are getting that particular message specifically. These things and all we don't know. That is comes under it is called as an abstraction. Why we are hiding that particular? It is not necessary that the common people they no need to worry about these things of activities. So abstractions it's hiding internal details and showing functionality is known as an abstraction. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve the abstraction. With the help of that interface, we are going to achieve the abstractions. Okay, encapsulation, binding code and data together into a single unit is known as an encapsulation. We are generated n number of codes. That codes are binding together, and we are creating one single binding. We will that single binding. It's having n number of concepts and different type of approaches is there. It is called as an encapsulation. Best example for that encapsulation capsules. That if you are going to consume some capsule for your illness means that capsules will have give remedial purpose. If you have a fever, if you have a body pain, or if you have a headache, for that all the issues it will give one single shot of solution. That is called as a capsule. That capsule concept it is incorporated here. It is called as a encapsulation. Binding of all the things of activities. It is called as a encapsulation. A Java class is the example of encapsulation. Java Bean is the fully encapsulated class because all the data members are private here. So, so far we are discussed about what is class, what is object, what is abstractions, what is polymorphism, what is encapsulations. The next class we will see coupling, cohesions, and association and aggregations. Thank you.